Why are so many people in debt? Thanks to J.D. Rockefeller. He wanted a world of workers, not a world of thinkers. He came up with an educational system so that you can go to school, go to the factory, go to the warehouse, go to the office. Right? So school is similar to a work environment. Right? You get shifts like 7-3, 8-4, 9-5. Right? They are neglecting money management. The school system neglects communication, teamwork, that equals cheating, critical thinking, outside of the box, problem solving, investing, leadership, tax strategies, laws that govern the whole system of trading your time for wages, which make you oppressed and feel stressed and worried. How are you going to pay debt? So the school system will teach you basic math, basic reading, writing, history, how to stay in line, how to follow orders, everything a good employee should know. So I am coming up with my own system, how to build multiple streams of income. I have a proven blueprint to work less and earn multiple streams of income online. If you want this, Google www.joshuadailypay.com and I'll see you in the inside.